First, go to Google Chrome and search Windows Server 2025 Evaluation and download the ISO from Microsoft's Evaluation Center. Open VMware Workstation and create a new virtual machine. Browse to the ISO files and input the server name, operation system, and also the machine location, and you can also customize the machine specification as well. By customize the machine specification, you can click on Customize Hardware. You can increase the processor, memory, and so on. Once you've finished, you can click on Power on this virtual machine to start run the machine. Press any key to start the boot from ISO files. On the Windows Server Setup screen, follow the screen to complete the option before you can start setup. Under the Select Image option, choose the Windows Server 2025 Data Center Evaluation Desktop Experience. Once finished the installation, input the admin user password and click Finish. This is the first login to servers. Input your admin password and press Enter. Now you're in the Windows Server 2025. Servers will take few seconds to loading some services and Server Manager dashboard. So now, you are ready to start the VMware tool installation to make it capability with Windows Server 2025. Once it's done, server will become a fit screen and reboot one to make it take effect. Once servers reboot and log in again, you are ready to start any configuration on servers. Start changing server name, IP address, time zone, and so on. Done, you are finished the installation Windows Server 2025.